Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to go ahead and add suppliers to your Ecwid store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com. If you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here in the upper right corner. You can get started with logging into your account. If you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where the left side of the screen. You'll be able to greet all the options that you have, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started adding suppliers to our store. What we're looking for guys is right here. We have two options. First option is to open up the catalog option ourselves and open up the products, where we can import our products by ourselves in bulk. So you can import products using a file that you get from your supplier with all the products that you want to sell. So you can import your file directly here. That if you do not have your file and you want to add it directly from your supplier, you want to enable the suppliers, let's say like some drop shipping option, AliExpress or something similar, you want to use them. What we're looking for is right here at the left side screen. You want to open up the apps setting. By clicking on apps, you can open up the app market, and this new marketplace that's going to add up, you're going to go ahead into the upper left corner, search for suppliers. After searching for suppliers, it's going to give you all the applications related to suppliers. It's going to enable you to get started drop shipping and further content management systems with your suppliers. You can find the perfect application for you to use that you want for your suppliers, and once you're satisfied, you can install it from the button that's going to appear right here. Upgrade your plan and install the application to your store, and you can get started with using your suppliers that way. Basically, those are two ways. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.